Welcome to Taipei City. As we slowly flying into the center of Danan district, enjoy the unique architectures. It is a perfect blend of old and new, compact but not crowded. If you are a fan of Tiny Planet video, please look up. You will see a Tiny Planet view of the city. As you can see in the distance, the tallest building of Taipei is the Taipei 101, where I will be visiting the Google office. If you look down, you see the BC Main Street of Danan district. The city feels alive and full of energy. As we flying back, you can see the Elephant Mountains behind the Taipei 101. That is the perfect spot to get a full view of the city, and I highly recommend to hike up for a beautiful sunset view. If you turn around, you will see my location, where I will bring you into the hub of the city. So follow along and let me show you the magic of Taipei City.